In this video, I'm going to show you how members inside of your community can leave the group themselves without needing admin assistance. As soon as a member leaves, the access to events, courses, and paid content is immediately revoked. Giving members the ability to manage their own access reduces administrative overhead whilst improving the user experience and providing a lot more transparency. Admins will be notified as soon as a member leaves, but please know, just because they leave the group, that does not mean any paid subscription will be cancelled. This would need to be handled individually. Now let me show you how that looks like. So once the user is in the group, they just need to click on About and then click on Leave Group. Then this pop-up will show up, hey, are you really sure you want to leave the group? They click Leave the group, and that's it. A member is able to rejoin the community after they left. They will need to be re-invited or regain access based on how the community is set up. And that's it. Be sure to check out all of our free videos, snapshots, review snapshots, free white label videos, courses, SOPs, and much more linked in the description below. I will see you over there.